Let me sit down too.
Okay.
Okay, scoot over. Okay.
Hi, Toast Lady.
Hi, Toast Lady. This is the Williams family, or most of it, and we're eating toast, and we're thinking of you. So, what do you guys want to tell Toast Lady?
We're eating some toast. Would you like some toast?
What about you, Joe? Would you like to see Toast Lady?
Yes.
Yeah.
Me too.
Me too. Yeah. So we should say Happy Holidays, Toast Lady.
Happy holidays, Toast Lady.
Happy Holidays, Toast Lady. And please say hello to Winston the dog for us. And Andrew. And everybody else in your crew. Have a great holiday.
Bye.
Hey, Joe. You want to say bye?
Bye.